De Moivre's theorem, exercise 2b, first section, fifth problem. Prove that minus omega and minus omega square, these are the roots of z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where omega and omega square are the complex cube roots of unity. Simple doing. Here these are the roots given. So if it is a root to this given equation, it should satisfy the equation. If minus omega is the root of given z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0, this minus omega should satisfy this equation. That is, put minus omega in place of z in it. That is, minus omega square whole square minus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Here whole square, so it will become plus, it is omega square, it will become plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0, RHS is same, and LHS also became 0 here. Okay, 1 plus omega square is 0 only. So these are same. It is verified that it is true. So this minus omega is satisfying the given equation. Therefore, minus omega is the root of z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. And one more root is minus omega square. Is it the root or already? We have to prove that these are the roots. So second one, minus omega square. If minus omega square is the root of given equation, it also should satisfy the given equation. That is, in place of z, put minus omega square in it. So then you get this one. Here what happened? Minus omega square, okay, minus omega square whole square minus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0. What happened? Minus into minus will become plus here, omega power 4. It will become plus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0. What is omega power 4? Omega power 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega, which is equal to omega. Why? Because omega cube is 1. So in place of omega power 4 we can write omega. So this is what? 1 plus omega square. RHS is 0, LHS also is 0. It is true. So it satisfies. Therefore, minus omega square is also the root of given equation, which is to be proved. Sixth question. If omega square are the cube roots of unity, then find first bit. Here in first bit, what to do? There are 3 parts taken separately. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part, and afterwards adding all those 3 so that we get the result, because there is plus symbol. Okay, first a plus b whole cube. How to write it? Its form is like this: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What is second part? A omega plus b omega square whole cube. So this is also in the same form. That's why same formula is applied. Before going to apply the formula, here omega is common, taken common. When you take omega common in it, what happened? Okay, let us see. A omega plus b omega square, when whole cube. When you take omega from common in it, you get a plus b omega. Now whole cube should come like this. That is omega cube into a plus b omega whole cube. This can be seen here. Because 3 times omega, 1 omega is taken outside means it is with 3, power 3. And what is left over inside? A plus b omega whole cube. Now omega cube is how much? 1. So this is to be written. Now this is in this form. So apply the formula and write like this. Then observe what happened. Omega cube is 1. So b cube into 1. So you can write this as only b cube. Remaining everything is same. That is 3a square b omega here. Next term 3ab square means 3a b square omega square comes here. So this is a second one. Now coming to third one. Here also omega is taken common. A omega plus b remains inside. It is omega cube. It is 1. Only this is to be written in the next step. And apply this formula. You get this result. Here also omega cube is 1 means it is just a cube. Remaining two terms same, here b cube. So this is 3. Now add 1 plus 2 plus 3. So you get LHS is in the question. Actually not LHS, the required value. After adding LHS of these three equations, this one plus this one plus this one, this one plus this one plus this one, order is like that, is equal to this number plus this number plus this number. I am writing directly that there are 3a cubes, this one and this one and this one. That's why I wrote 3a cube. Next, what did I do? See, go to 1, 2, 3 and check. Here I have taken 3a square b common. So I will underline where is 3a square b in first one, in second one, in third one. And what are you observing here? 3a square b when we take common, in the first equation only 1 remains. 1. In second equation what remains? Omega. In third equation omega square. So when you take 3a square b common, you get 1 plus omega square in it. In the same way 3ab square when you take common, here 1. And in second equation omega square, this one. In third equation omega. In order we are writing 1 plus omega square. And last terms are b cubes. There are 3. So 3b cube. Now what is value of 1 plus omega square? 0. 0 into anything is 0. That's why this is 0. You can't see this in the next step. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3a cube plus 3b cube. Here 3 is common. You get this one. This is the value of this given first bit. Okay. Now second bit. This is the second bit. A plus b, a plus 2b whole square plus a omega square plus 2b omega whole square plus a omega plus 2b omega square whole square. A plus 2b whole square plus a omega square plus 2b omega whole square plus a omega plus 2b omega square whole square. First one, second one, third one. First equation, second equation, third equation. Afterwards, to adding them so that we get its value, which is answer. So what did we do here? A plus 2b whole square, applied a plus b whole square formula in it, we got it. A square plus 2ab, 2 into a into 2b, 4ab. 2b whole square is 4b square. Next in this, omega is taken common. So 2 times omega square. Inside a omega plus 2b remains. It's a square. So omega square is kept same. This is written as a plus b whole square. That is a square omega square plus 2 into a omega into 2b will become 4ab omega plus 2b whole square is 4b square. And next step, what did we do? We are multiplying omega square with every term. Here a square omega power 4. Omega power 4 is omega. Because omega power 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega, which is omega. Because omega cube is 1. So in place of omega power 4, I have taken only omega here. A square omega plus Omega square into omega is how much? Omega cube. It is 1. So 4ab into 1, which is 4ab. And next step 4b square omega square. Okay, this is equation 2. Next, coming to third part. Here also omega common, 2 times omega square inside a plus 2b omega whole square, and this is common part, and also this can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Afterwards we are multiplying them. Now you can see a square omega square here. It will become 4ab omega cube. Omega cube is 1. Only 4ab remains here. Here 4b square omega power 4. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega. So 4b square omega. So this is third equation. Now we are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is a plus 2b whole square plus this plus this. This is LHS is equal to now RHS. Here also in this, like previous problem, a square omega square. Sorry, in all these, what should we do? A square is common. Then what happened? 1 plus omega square. This one. Next, 4ab. There are 3 4ab's, that is 12ab total. Next, here also 4b square is common in these terms. You get this step. And it will become 0. 0 into anything 0. Here also 0. Only 12ab remains, which is the value. That is answer. Now third bit is very simple. In only one line you can answer it. See, 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. How to do? This 1 plus omega square, first and last term. 1 plus omega square can be written as minus omega. So in the given question, 1 plus omega square can be written as minus omega and minus omega. Why 1 plus omega square is minus omega? Because 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We want 1 plus omega square, which is minus omega. Plus omega when you take other side will become minus omega. So in place of 1 plus omega square, we are writing minus omega. There is one more minus omega in it. Total is minus 2 omega whole cube. Minus 3 times means you get minus. 2 to the 4 to the 8 omega cube. Omega cube is 1. So answer is minus 8. Next, fourth bit. This is a question. Here, take first these two. 1 minus omega power 4. This can be written as omega cube into omega. It is 1. So 1 minus omega. And 1 minus omega power 8. Here it is 1 minus. There are 2 omega cubes. That's why omega cube whole square. Omega power 6 into omega square. Omega power 6 can be written as omega cube whole square into omega square. Total 8. So this will become 1, no? So 1 minus omega square. So take question direct. Next step. First 2 terms the same. In place of 1 minus omega power 4, write 1 minus omega. Okay. Now 1 minus omega power 8. In this place put 1 minus omega square and see what happened. This one and this one both are same 2 times. This one and this one are also same 2 times. That's why write 1 time inside the bracket and put whole square. It gives same meaning. 1 minus omega whole square, 1 minus omega square whole square. You can write like this. And 2 4 terms will come. 1 1 is a 1. 1 minus omega square is minus omega square. Minus omega 1 is a minus omega. Minus omega into minus omega square is plus omega cube whole square. And what is omega cube? 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. 2 minus omega square whole square. Here minus is common in second and third terms. 2 minus, it will become omega plus omega square whole square. And now go to the formula. Omega plus omega square is how much? Minus 1. So that minus 1 is kept here. So 2 minus half minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. It is answer. Next, fifth one. In fifth problem, what should we do? Same, these fractions were taken here, but we have to do one thing, that is divide and multiply omega square in for first one, and for second one omega. Here omega square, here omega. If you cancel, you get same, but not to cancel, we have to do something, no? For that reason, omega square here, numerator, denominator, here omega. Okay, now multiply a omega square. See what happened? Not numerator. Now let us focus denominator. Okay, so this is the same here, this is also same. In denominator, it will become what? C omega square. You can see here. And b omega square into omega square means b omega power 4. Omega power 4 is omega, b omega. A omega into omega square is how much? A omega cube. That is a into 1. That is a. Here also b into omega, b omega. C omega into omega, c omega square. A omega square into omega, a omega cube. A omega cube means a into 1, a. What are you observing? Denominators are same LCM. Now observe numerators. Bracket, the terms which are in brackets are same. They are common here. And omega square plus omega is taken in another bracket. This is same. What is omega plus omega square? In the previous page you can see that omega plus omega square is minus 1. So put minus 1 in that place here. Then minus 1 into this much by this much. Here you can cancel because these are same. So that you get minus 1. You have to remember that to multiply and divide omega square for first one, for second one omega. I want to tell you this one again, how we got it. I will show you. There is c plus omega, a omega plus b omega square here. There is c plus a omega plus b omega square, and it is multiplied by omega square. Then what happened? C omega square, a omega cube, b omega power 4. That is c omega square, a b omega. Dear students, c omega square, a omega cube, b omega power 4. This is same. Omega cube is 1. 1a is a. Omega power 4 is what? Omega cube into omega, which is equal to omega. That's why here only b omega will come. So you can see these three terms here. Same like this here also. Okay. Now fourth, sixth bit. Sixth, this one. 1 plus omega whole cube plus 1 plus omega square whole cube. 1 plus omega. Here also formulas. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We want 1 plus omega one time, 1 plus omega square the other time, because they are required here. 1 plus omega required, 1 plus omega square also is required. 1 plus omega is how much here? Minus omega square. And what is 1 plus omega square? minus omega. So these terms are taken here. In place of 1 plus omega, take minus omega square. Whole cube same. In place of 1 plus omega square for the next part, put minus omega whole cube. Now minus 3 times means you get minus only. Here also minus omega power 6. Here omega cube is 1, minus 1. And here minus how many cubes are there? 2. 3 2s are. So omega cube whole square. Omega cube is 1. 1 square is 1. Minus 1. So we are going to add them. That is this one plus this one is equal to minus 1 plus of minus 1. That is plus into minus is minus. Minus 1 which is minus 2. Next, seventh one. 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 5. First part, 1 minus omega plus omega square. This is 1 plus omega square minus omega. I rearranged the terms, second and third changed. So 1 plus omega square minus omega. Now this 1 plus omega square is replaced by minus omega. This is same. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Why? See, 1 plus omega square is how much? Minus omega. That came here. In place of this, you are going to take minus omega. Okay. Now add these. You get minus 2 omega. Now comes to power 5. Put power 5 both the sides. So you get whole power 5. Here minus 2 omega whole power 5. That is minus 5 times odd number of times you get minus only. 2 power 5. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32. Omega power 5. So minus 32. How many cubes are there? 1. Omega cube into omega square. 3 plus 2 5. Omega cube is 1. That's why minus 32 omega square is the value of this. And now let us see second one. 1 plus omega minus omega square. What is value of 1 plus omega? Go and see. 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Minus omega square is kept here. This minus omega square is already there. There are 2 minus 2 omega square. So here also in the question it is power 5. So put power 5 both the sides. You get this step. Minus 5 times means you get minus only. 2 power 5 is 32. Omega power 10. 2 5s are. So minus 32 same. Here how many 3s are there? 3 3s are 9. So omega cubes are 3 here and 1 omega is left over. Total 10. So this will become 1. 1 cube is 1. Minus 32 omega. So this is second part. In the given question, first equation, second equation, when you add, you get the result. 1 plus 2, that is this one plus this one is equal to this one plus this one. And here minus 32 omega square minus 32 omega. Next step what happened? Minus 32 is common. Then what? Omega square plus omega, because minus common. Omega square plus omega is how much? See, omega square plus omega. That also if you write here, that is omega plus omega square is minus 1. Because plus 1 when you take this side will become minus 1. So omega square plus omega or omega plus omega square, both are same. Result is minus 1. So put minus 1 here. Minus 32 into minus 1, which is 32. This is the required value to the given question. Dear students, I think you got the clarity. Thank you.